Hi there, I'm Misty Ann back in my closet with another wardrobe planning quick tip for you. My quick tip for you tonight has to do with the outfit I am wearing today. This is a houndstooth patterned Michael Kors dress that my friend Lauren styled for me this past weekend in my weekly wardrobe planning video. She had originally paired it with this mock turtleneck blouse. I was very excited about having the purple with the black and white. I thought it was a great color. But when I got it on and I took a look, I just realized there was just so much pattern going on here. And it has felt before in the past. It's just, I didn't feel like it was super flattering, especially because I'm a little bit on the top end of my weight range right now. So, also remembering that I was going to be sitting in a very cold conference room all day today in an all-day meeting, I grabbed this black sweater jacket. This is actually from Brooks Brothers. And paired this with it. It is amazing how when you put that solid color over the pattern dress, it gave it a completely different look and pulled my waist in a little bit, and now I love the dress. So just something to consider when you have something that has a lot of pattern, especially a light, like this is predominantly white. Try pairing it with a nice solid color that sort of draws your eye in, and I think you'll find that you like it a lot better. If this tip was helpful for you, please give me a like, please subscribe, and please join me again this Sunday. I'm going to be doing wardrobe planning with my friend Christiane Waldron, who is the founder of Genetica Skincare, makes wonderful skincare products. We're going to have a lot of fun in her closet. In the meantime, have a great rest of your week. Bye!